Welcome to Product Critique, the channel where we break down the best products on the market to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best reusable plastic wrap dispenser available, the Stretch-Tite Wrap and Snap 7500 dispenser. Right out of the box, the Stretch-Tite Wrap and Snap 7500 impresses with its clean, efficient design. It's made of durable ABS material, which means it's built to last, no flimsy plastic here. The first thing you'll notice is how compact and lightweight the unit is. It fits neatly on your kitchen counter or inside a cupboard, locking shut for safe and tidy storage when not in use. Now let's talk functionality. This isn't just a box with a roll of plastic wrap, it's a smart system designed to take the frustration out of food wrapping. The Wrap and Snap 7500 is compatible with Stretch-Tite rolls in 250, 500, and 750 foot sizes, making it highly versatile whether you're covering a single bowl of leftovers or prepping food for the week. What makes this dispenser a standout is its dual cutting system. You have a serrated blade for traditional users, but you also get a tight cut slide cutter, and this is where things get really smooth. Just pull out the desired length of wrap, slide the cutter across, and you get a clean, even cut every time. No more wrestling with tangled plastic wrap or getting uneven rips. It's quick, precise, and incredibly satisfying to use. And here's the real game changer. When you're done cutting, the wrap stays in place, perfectly positioned and ready for your next use. That means no more digging around the box trying to find the edge of the film. This alone can save you a lot of time and annoyance, especially when you're in the middle of cooking. Stretch-Tite's plastic wrap itself is also top tier. It clings well, seals tightly, and keeps food fresher for longer, without the mess. It's BPA-free and phthalate-free, so it's safe for your food and your family. This dispenser is all about everyday practicality. Whether you're wrapping sandwiches, covering bowls, or protecting leftovers, the Wrap and Snap 7500 makes the process fast, efficient, and frustration-free. It's especially handy for busy families or anyone who meal preps regularly. You just open, stretch, snap, and you're done. Now, let's talk about value. This isn't a single-use gadget. The dispenser is fully refillable, meaning you can keep using it roll after roll. Considering how often most of us use plastic wrap in the kitchen, this is a long-term solution that earns its spot on your counter. Finally, there's a bit of legacy behind this product. It comes from Polyvinyl Films Inc., a family-owned business that's been innovating in the food wrap industry since 1953. That's over 65 years of experience poured into a tool designed to make your kitchen life easier. To wrap this up, pun intended, the Stretch-Tite Wrap and Snap 7500 dispenser is a thoughtfully designed, reliable, and refillable solution for anyone tired of battling traditional plastic wrap. It's durable, easy to use, and built with everyday needs in mind. If you're ready to upgrade your kitchen essentials, this is one of the best investments you can make. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more product breakdowns just like this one. See you in the next video.